Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is FaceTime. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is FaceTime? FaceTime is an application or app for making video and voice calls over the internet. It's great for keeping in touch if you and most of your friends and family use devices from Apple. FaceTime is available on devices made by Apple computers such as iPhones, iPads, and Mac computers. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is FaceTime is all about. Thank you so much for your support by watching and listening to my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.